Section 3, question number 21. So show that 5 minus 2 root 3 is an irrational number. So here we'll solve this problem by contradiction proof. So let us assume 5 minus 2 root 3 be a rational number. So when it is a rational number, we can write in the form of p by q. So here I'll consider 5 minus 2 root 3 equals a by b, where a and b are co-primes. A and b are co-primes, and you can mention that b is not equal to 0, because if b is 0, this will become not defined. So a and b are co-primes and b is not equal to 0. Now here 5 minus 2 root 3 equals a by b. So 5 minus a by b equals 2 root 3. 5 minus a by b by 2 equals root 3. 5 minus a by b by 2 equals root 3. So here see, 5 minus a by b by 2 is rational, because a and b are integers, is rational number, and root 3 is irrational. Root 3 is irrational. So this contradicts the fact that root 3 is irrational. This contradicts the fact that root 3 is irrational. The contradiction arises by assuming 5 minus 2 root 3. The contradiction arises by we assume that 5 minus 2 root 3 is rational. 5 minus 2 root 3 is rational. Hence 5 minus 2 root 3 is irrational. In this way we need to prove this. Draw the graph of the polynomial p of x equals x square minus 5x plus 6. So to draw this graph, so first write x and take the values, like so here you write the question, that is x square minus 5x plus 6, and here you take the values like minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So always take these values, because most of the graphs, 99% graphs, you will get the solution from minus 4 to plus 4. If you will not get the values, then you take 5 minus 5 at the end you can take. Now here these values, now if you find these values here, yeah. Now calculate these values, like see x square, x value is minus 4, so minus 4 whole square is 16, x is minus 3, so x square minus 3 whole square is 9, minus 2 whole square is 4, minus 1 whole square is 1, 0 square is 0, and 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16. Next, minus 5 into minus 4, minus 5 into minus 4 is plus 20, minus 5 into minus 3, minus into minus plus 5 into 3, 15, minus into minus plus 5 into 2, 10, minus into minus plus 5 into 1, 5, 5 into 0, 0. Minus 5 into 1 is minus 5. Minus 5 into 2, minus 10. Minus 5 and x is 3. Minus 5 into 3, minus 15. Minus 5 into 4 is minus 20. And this is constant, so you write as it is 6. Now, these three values we need to add now. This. So these three values if you add, you will get the value of y. 16 plus 6, 22. 22 plus 20 is 42. Next, 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 15, 30. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 10, 20. And 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. And this is 6. Only this x square minus 5x plus 6. Only these values we should add. Next, 6 plus 1, 7. 7 minus 5, 2. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 minus 10, 0. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 minus 15, 0. 16 plus 6, 22. 22 minus 20 is 2. Now, we need to plot only this x and y. So, at the end you just write the values of x and y so that it will be clear for you to what to plot like. Yeah. Now here, see here x and y. X is minus 4 and 42, minus 3, 30, minus 2, 20, minus 1, 12, 0, 6, 1, 2, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 2. So these are all the values I need to plot on the graph to get the zeros of this polynomial. Now here I already wrote the values on the graph paper and I wrote with the help of pen so that it will be clear for the video. But compulsory you need to write the values with the help of pencil. Everything on the graph paper you should do with the help of pencil. Now see, I'll plot these values. And see, before that, some important points in the graph is, see here I took 1 centimeter equals 1 unit scale. So compulsory scale is most important topic. So scale is here. On x-axis 1 centimeter equals 1 unit. And on y-axis also I took 1 centimeter equals 1 unit. Yeah, and here it is x, this value is x, and here x dash, and this value y, and here at the bottom you can write y dash. Now I'll plot the values. Now see here, while plotting the values I took here minus 4, 42. So y value highest, here I have highest value is 12 only. So minus 4, 42, it's not possible, so I'll skip this value. Next, minus 3, 30, this also I'll skip because I don't have 30, right? Because I took 1 unit, so highest value I have is 12. Minus 2, 20, this also I'll skip. Then, so why I took these values, because see, for all the graphs I'll take from like minus 4 to plus 4, so no need to remember which values to take. So that's why I took from minus 4 to plus 4. If I'll get the highest values, I'll skip the remaining, just I'll plot. Now minus 1 comma 12, minus 1, 12. X is minus 1 and y is 12. Minus 1, 12 is this value. Next 0, 6. X is 0, y is 6. 0 and 6. Next 1, 2. X is 1, y is 2. X is 1, y value is 2. Then 2, 0. 2, 0. So on the next 3, 0. Next 4 comma 2. 4, 2. Now see these points, I need to draw a curve. So I'll turn the graph. Now see this, I'll join, I'll get a parabola. So in this way you should draw the parabola. Don't join directly, take short curve like this. Then join this. So this is a parabola for like x square minus 5x plus 6. So here at the end you need to write some points here. See, this graph cuts x-axis at 2, 0, 3, 0. Therefore, the zeros are 2, 3. So here at the end, here also you can write here the graph x square minus 5x plus 6 cuts x-axis at the point. What is this point? This point is 2, 0, and another point is 3, 0. 2, 0, 3, 0. Therefore, the zeros are in flower bracket, right? 2, 3. So in this way, you need to solve the graph question. So, and see, most important is scale, and compulsory we need to find the zeros. So with the help of graph, so the zeros are 2, 3. The sum of the squares of two positive integers is 208 if the square of the larger number is 18 times the smaller number. So here two numbers you can take, like, so let the smaller number be, x, and larger number you can consider it as y. Sum of the squares of two integers. Now see here, x square plus y square is 208. One more condition is, if the square of the if the square of the larger is 18 times smaller, square of the larger is 18 times smaller. This is another condition. Now from this two equations, this value, y square value, will substitute in this. X square plus 18x equals 208. If I'll simplify, x square plus 18x minus 208 equals 0. Next here, if I'll factorize 208, I need to get factors like 202, 104, 2 times 52, 2 times 26. Now see, this is 2 into 2 into 2. This is 8. This is 8 and 26. 8 and 26, you'll get 18 by 26 minus 8. So I'll write x square plus 26x minus 8x minus 208 equals 0. Now here, x, if I'll take common, x plus 26 minus 8, if I'll take common, x plus 26. Now here, x plus 26, again if I'll take common, I'll be left with like x minus 8. Now x plus 26 equals 0, x minus 8 equals 0. X equals minus 26, x equals 8. In the question very clearly they told two positive integers, so we'll not take minus 26, so x value is 8. I'll substitute here now. Y square equals 18 times 8. So y square equals 18 times 8 is 144. Y equals root 144. So root 144 value is plus or minus 12, but we'll take plus 12 only because positive integers. Therefore, they're asking find the numbers. The two numbers are 8 and 12. In what ratio does the point minus 4, 6 divides the line segment A minus 6, 10, B 3, minus 8 in the ratio, this point, in what ratio? So here, see, ratio I'll take it as like m is to n. Now the point P, section formula is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. You can take mn or you can take m1, m2. So here I'm taking like ratio m is to n. Now see, the point is here minus 4, 6 equals m. This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. M x2 is 3 and x1 is minus 6 by m plus n. M plus n. And here also m y2 minus 8 plus n into y1 is 10 by m plus n. Now here you can equate abscissa with abscissa, or you can equate ordinate with ordinate. Choice is yours. Any one if you do, you'll get the ratio. Now suppose if I'll equate minus 4 equals this abscissa with abscissa, that is 3m minus 6n by m plus n. Now if I'll simplify this, cross multiply, minus 4 into m plus n equals 3m minus 6n. So if we'll simplify further, minus 4m minus 4n equals 3m minus 6n. Get the variables like terms one side, like minus 4m minus 3m equals minus 6n plus 4n. Now next here, minus 7m equals minus 2n. Minus minus cancel. So we need to find m is to n. M is to n. So most of the children, they'll get confused and they'll write 7 is to 2. But see, m is to n is nothing but m by n. So m by n value is 2 by 7. Therefore the ratio m is to n is 2 is to 7. Or see, if you equate this ordinate with ordinate also, you'll get the same answer. Now see, I'll equate 6 equals minus 8m plus 10n by m plus n. So if you cross multiply, 6 into m plus n equals minus 8m plus 10n. 6m plus 6n equals minus 8m plus 10n. So if you write like terms one side, 6m plus 8m, 10n minus 6n. So this is 14m and here it is 4n. So m by n is 4 by 14. So 2 times 2, 2 times 7. So m is to n is 2 is to 7. See, this ratio problem you can do in alternate method also. That is like a minus 6 comma 10, b 3 comma minus 8, and point p is like minus 4 comma 6. Instead of mn, if you take k is to 1 ratio as k is to 1, directly you will get the value of k and that will be the answer. So now see here, this is m, this is n. In place of m, k; in place of n, 1. Whenever they'll ask you to find the ratio, you can use k is to 1 also. Now see, point P, section formula is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Same thing if you substitute the values, minus 4 comma 6, but in place of m you write k, x2 is 3, n is 1, x1 is minus 6 by k plus 1. K, y2 is minus 8 plus 1, y1 is 10 by k plus 1. Now equate abscissa with abscissa. So minus 4 equals 3k minus 6 by k plus 1. 3k minus 6 by k plus 1. Now here, minus 4 into k plus 1 equals 3k minus 6, minus 4k minus 4 equals 3k minus 6, minus 4k, and here minus 3k is minus 6 plus 4. So if you simplify further, let's see, you'll get minus 7k equals minus 2, minus minus cancel, k equals 2 by 7, k equals 2 by 7. So k is to 1, that was the ratio. So that is nothing but 2 is to 7. The ratio is 2 is to 7. So you'll get directly k. Here k is 2 by 7. 25th problem, 25th. Diagonals P, R and QS of a trapezium PQRS, and PQ is parallel to, here this is parallel to SR, intersect each other at O. Using the criteria of similarity, two triangles show that OP by OR equals OQ by OS. Now see, To prove this, I'll prove these two triangles similar. This two triangles. This one, this triangle, and this triangle. I'll prove similar and I'll write sides proportional. I'll get the answer. Now see, first take triangle POQ and triangle. See, don't write SOR because this angle will be equal to this angle, interior alternate angle. So you took first P. So in this triangle take ROS. Now see, angle 1 equals angle 2. Angle 1 equals angle 2, or you can write instead of 1 and 2 you can write OPQ. You can write this way also. Angle OPQ equals angle ORS. Reason is interior alternate angles. Interior alternate angles. Now next one. See this angle 3 equals 4. Angle 3 equals angle 4. That is nothing but angle POQ equals angle ROS. Reason is vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. See, choice is yours. Either this way you can write, but you need to mention the angle numbers here, or you can use the 3 letters for the angle. Now see, we got two triangles. POQ is similar to triangle ROS by angle corollary or angle similar, or you can write similarity, because if two angles are equal in two triangles, corresponding angles are equal, then definitely the third angle will be equal. So no need to prove that. Now sides proportional you write, because now triangles are similar, corresponding sides are proportional. So you can write PO by RO equals OQ by OS equals PQ by RS. But see, I don't want in the answer like PQRS, so I'll simplify with this. So OP by OR, OQ by OS. You got the answer. OP by OR equals OQ by OS. So I got the required answer. Because reason is here why I wrote this, because CPST, corresponding parts of similar triangles, because if two triangles are similar, corresponding sides are like proportional. So that's why I wrote similar triangles, corresponding parts. Sides are proportional. I got the answer. A tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top of same radius. See, a tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a cone of same radius. So here, surmounted by a cone of same radius. If the height and diameter of the cylinder, height of the cylinder is 2.1 and diameter is 4 meters, 2.1 meters, 4 meters, so radius will be 2 meters. Now, and the slant height of the top, means that is conical part, slant height is 2.8 meters. Find the area of canvas used for making the tent. Now, so to find the area of the canvas, see here, this base will not be, and this here also this part will not be. So just we need to find curved surface area. So area of canvas is curved surface area of a cylinder plus curved surface area of a cone. Curved surface area of a cone. Now curved surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi RH and curved surface area of a cone is pi RL. Now see all the values we have in the diagram. So radius is same, so I'll take pi R common. Here I'll be left with like 2h plus L value. So pi is 22 by 7 into radius is 2. 2 times height. Height is 2.1 and slant height is 2.8. Now here if we simplify, 22 by 7 into 2 into 2 into 2.1 is 4.2 plus 2.8. 4.2 plus 2.8. Now one more step, if we'll simplify here. 22 by 7 into 2 into 4.2 plus 2.8 is 7. 7 and 7 will get cancelled, so the answer is 44 meter square. So area of the canvas is 44 meter square. At the end, they're asking here also find the cost of canvas of the tent at the rate of rupees 500 per meter square. So if you want to calculate cost of canvas, see 500 rupees per meter square. So here it will be like 44 into 500. 44 into 500. So if we'll multiply, it will be like 220 00. 5 into 44 is 220, and here 00 rupees. So 22,000 rupees. It will rupees 22,000. So cost of canvas is 22,000 rupees. One card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Calculate the probability that the card will be. So first see, I'll write all the outcomes like 52 cards. It's divided into 4 suits. Those are like diamonds, hearts, spades, and clubs. Diamonds, hearts, spades, and clubs. Now in diamonds again, so these are like in red color, these hearts are also in red color, spades are in black color, here clubs are also in like black color. Diamonds, hearts, spades, clubs. In each suit, see like 13 cards will be 13, here also 13, because 52 divided into 4 equals to 7. So here also 13 and here also 13. Now in this suit we'll be having like king, queen, jack. King, queen, jack. These are the face cards. Face cards are picture cards. And again here number cards will be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 9 and 10. So these all are number card, and this one will called as like ace. Now here in the same thing, king, queen, jack, face cards, number cards 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In the same way here also in clubs. So king, queen, jack, ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In the same way here also king, queen, jack, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we need to find the probability. So probability of an event, the formula is number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. See in this problem the total number of outcomes are 52. So probability of getting a face card is, see face card, see here 3, they didn't mention any color, so all the face cards 3, 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 3, 12. So total 12 face cards out of 52. Now if you write in a simplest form, 4 times 3, okay, and 4 times 1, 4 times 3, so it is 3 by 13. Next one, probability of diamond. See total, they ask what is the probability of getting a diamond. See diamond we have like 13 cards. Total how many cards we have? 13. So 13 by 52. So there is nothing on 13 times 1, 13 times 4. so 1 by 4. Next, probability of getting red king. Red king, see here these two cards, these two suits are in red color. In the two kings we have which are red color, one from diamond, the other one from hearts. So 2 by 52, 2 times 1, 2 times 26, 1 by 26. Next, probability of not heart. See, not getting a heart, see, means the remaining all will become our favorable outcome. 13, 13, 13, 39 will become favorable outcome. They're saying not getting a heart, so remaining you can get. So there is nothing but 39 out of 52. 13 times 3, 13 times 4. So answer is 3 by 4. The daily income of 100 workers in a factory is given in the following distribution table. So convert the above distribution to a less than type frequency distribution and draw its ogive. Hence obtain the median. So now here, see here, they give daily income. Daily income is like from 100 to 150 and 150 to 200, 200 to 250, 250 to 300, 300 to 350, 350 to 400, in the same way 400 to 450, and next 450 to 500. So next, number of workers, that is nothing but frequency. So that is 11, 12, 16, 14, 17, 12, 8, 10. See, for less than cumulative frequency, okay, so right here 11, 11 plus 12, first right here 11 as it is, 11 plus 12, it is 23, 23 plus 16, 39, 39 plus 14, 53, 53 plus 17, 70, 70 plus 12, 82, 82 plus 8, 90, 90 plus 10, 100. To draw the less than cumulative frequency of G, we'll use upper boundaries. So here upper boundaries are like 150, these are lower boundaries, and these are upper boundaries. 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500. So now in the graph we need to plot these two values, upper boundaries and less than cumulative frequency. Now here, see, as we need to plot these two values to get the median, so I'll draw. See here, I'll take this, suppose this graph paper. So I'll start doing. See, I'm doing with pen, but you have to do compulsory with pencil only. Okay, now here x-axis, yeah. Now see, zero. Now here the first value starts from like 100, so you can start, see, you can start from 100. Otherwise you can take 150 also, but okay, you can start from 100. So take these two values we need to plot. So take 100, then 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500, 550, 600. And here highest value frequency is 100, so one y-axis, take the scale as like 10 units. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Now plot the values. Now see, before that, scale compulsory, we need to write scale. Scale is here on x-axis. Okay, on x-axis 1 centimeter equals, see, gap is like 50, so 1 centimeter equals 50 units, and on y-axis 1 centimeter equals 10 units. And see, on x-axis I took daily income, which is in rupees. You can show it's daily income in rupees, and on y-axis number of workers. Now plot the values. 150, 11, 150, 11, 10, this one 11. Next 200, 23, 21, 22, 23, 250, 39, 300, 53, 350, 70, 400, 82, 450, 90, 500, 100. So this you have to draw the ogive. So with the free hand, just draw ogive. So this is less than cumulative frequency ogive. See here, one more most important thing. Here the gap is 50, 50, 50. But if you'll see the first one, it is 100. So here we need to use kink, so that the gap goes, like paper has been like folded like that. So it is 50, 50, 50. So here also like 0, 50, 100 is it, but we folded. So use kink here, compulsory. Now we need to find the median with the help of graph. Now see, total frequency is like 100. So just find n by 2, which is nothing but 50. So at 50, draw a line parallel to x-axis. Draw a line parallel to x-axis at 50. So if you draw a line parallel to x-axis. Now wherever it cuts the graph, from there draw a line parallel to y-axis. So if you draw a line like this something. So here the median will be like, see, it is 250, so 275, 280 and something around 290. So median is 290 approximately. See, if you calculate exactly with the help of formula L plus n by 2 minus Cf by small f into h, you'll get the exact value. So you can write that otherwise, like you'll get something around 289.5 something, 289.2. So but median you can write 290, because the abscissa at this value, like where it cuts x-axis, that value is the median. So median is 290 approximately, or you can do the problem in rough and you can write 289 approximately. Okay, in this way we need to draw the ogive.